Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share Ash second generations, the Johto's Pokemon, totally 9 of them, for your iClone 7, iClone 8 and also Character Creator 4. These 9 Pokemons, they are 3D models. First, you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, look at the first link, get Ash second generation Pokemon from 152 to 160, totally 9 of them. Download it as a Google Drive link. You will download a zip folder, and once you download it already, you will get a zip file and you have to extract it into your folder. Now all of these are just iProp, but all are fully rigged, and you can perform any of the 3D animations by using the rigs. And also you can send it to Character Creator 4 to make it become a creature avatar. This is iClone 7. I'm going to do some demo. Just for example, I'm going to drag in one of the Pokemon. Right. You can just direct drag in. For example, this one. Once you drag in already, now you can see if you want to animate it, you have to make sure you select it. Click here. This is iClone 7. Click Edit Animation Layer. You can see this Pokemon is fully rigged. You can just double click any of the bones, then you can create the animation. You can just repose it. For example, the head. You can pose it. Right. Then of course you can create the animation by creating the keyframe at here, or you can use this to render the picture or your manga series by using all of this Pokemon 3D model. If you send it to Character Creator 4, then you can make it become a creature. As long as you make it become a T-pose, it can become a humanoid as well if you want. Right, totally 9 of them, and I will release more and more for your iClone 7, iClone 8 and also Character Creator 4 new assets. Just have fun, and that's all for today about the sharing of the 9 Pokemons, the Ash second generation Johto's Pokemon. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial and sharing, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D animation, 3D modeling and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D animation and game developing. See you.